Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of beginner woodworking design ideas by turning low-cost crafts into meaningful art profitable creations. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The beauty of limited cost, beginner-friendly woodworking lies not only in its accessibility, but in the deeply personal connection it allows every creator to build with the materials beneath their hands. When someone new to the craft picks up a simple piece of scrap wood, a fallen branch, or an inexpensive board from a local lumberyard, the transformation that follows is far more profound than the shift from raw material to finished decor. It becomes a journey of discovery, of patience, of creativity, of identity, and that journey infuses each handmade piece with a soul that mass-produced furniture can never replicate. For beginners especially, every small imperfection becomes a signature, every tool mark becomes a memory, and every finished project becomes a symbol of growth, resilience, and imagination. This personal connection is what makes low-cost woodworking so meaningful. It reminds us that craftsmanship is not defined by expensive tools or advanced skills, but by intention, care, and the desire to create beauty with one's own hands. In today's world, modern design sensibilities increasingly value authenticity, individuality, and emotional resonance. People no longer want objects that merely fill a space. They want pieces that tell stories, pieces that feel human. This shift aligns perfectly with the kind of woodworking that beginners naturally produce. Minimalist shelves made from reclaimed boards, rustic candle holders fashioned from tree limbs, simple wall art carved by hand, or compact furniture built from inexpensive pine all carry a kind of warmth and honesty that modern homes crave. The clean lines, natural textures, raw edges, and organic forms that arise from beginner projects blend seamlessly with contemporary decor trends that emphasize simplicity, eco-consciousness, and natural materials. What once might have felt like a humble hobby now reflects the very core of stylish, sustainable living. There is also something incredibly powerful about being able to create beauty without breaking the bank. Many aspiring creators assume woodworking requires costly machinery or specialized training, but the truth is that the heart of the craft has always been simplicity. A beginner with a handsaw, sandpaper, and creativity can make pieces that feel as refined and meaningful as anything found in a high-end boutique. This is especially empowering for individuals who dream of building a new source of income, but fear the financial or technical barriers that traditional crafts seem to present. The low cost of materials, scrap wood, pallet planks, reclaimed boards, fallen branches, salvaged furniture parts, makes experimentation possible, even enjoyable. Every mistake becomes a lesson, every project becomes a stepping stone, and the financial risk stays minimal. This freedom gives beginners the confidence to explore, evolve, and discover their own style. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. And it is that style, unique, imperfect, heartfelt, that customers genuinely connect with. In a world overwhelmed with factory-produced goods, handmade items stand out as symbols of character and care. When a beginner woodworker sells a piece crafted with basic tools and a thoughtful touch, they're offering more than decor. They're offering a story. Buyers love knowing their wall shelf was made from a reclaimed board that once belonged to a barn, or that their wooden tray was crafted from a branch found in a local park, or that their rustic vase holder was shaped by someone learning and loving the process. This emotional value is often what transforms a simple object into a cherished item, and what turns a modest hobby into a meaningful income stream. What makes this journey even more fulfilling is how tangible the rewards become. Each project becomes a moment of growth. The first time a beginner sands a board silky smooth, the first time they apply a finish that brings out grain patterns like hidden art, the first time they receive a compliment or a sale. These little victories build not just skill, but self-worth. The craft becomes a source of grounding, a way to reconnect with nature, to slow down, to create something lasting in a fast-paced world. And each new creation becomes proof that expertise is built, not born. Beginners soon find themselves capable of crafting pieces that feel both modern and timeless, pieces that elevate homes while expressing their personal voice. What sets beginner woodworking apart today is how naturally it fits into the broader movement towards sustainable, mindful living. Modern consumers value items made from salvaged materials, low-waste processes, and natural elements. A simple reclaimed wood coat rack or a small log side table crafted by a new woodworker not only aligns with these values, but reinforces a broader message. Beauty can come from simplicity, and renewal can come from resourcefulness. When beginners use low-cost, repurposed materials, they are participating in a culture of sustainability, one project at a time. This gives every piece, no matter how simple, an added sense of purpose and integrity. For many, this is also where entrepreneurship begins. A beginner might start by making pieces for their own home, then sharing their work online, gifting items to friends, or listing a few creations on a small marketplace. As people respond with interest and appreciation, confidence grows. A single shelf becomes a small business idea. A handmade centerpiece becomes the start of an Etsy shop or local craft booth. A simple passion becomes a path toward financial independence. And because the startup cost is low, the risk remains minimal, allowing creativity, not fear, to lead the journey. Slowly, the craft evolves from a hobby into a brand, and each handcrafted piece becomes both an artistic expression and a potential source of income. Most importantly, limited-cost woodworking teaches beginners that the true value of a creation lies not in the price of the materials, but in the heart behind it. Modern design embraces rawness, originality, and intention, the very qualities beginners naturally bring to the table. The personal connection that happens when someone shapes wood with their own hands is what gives each piece soul, and that soul is what makes the craft deeply rewarding, both emotionally and financially. The combination of simplicity, creativity, and purpose turns woodworking into more than a skill. It becomes a lifestyle, a source of empowerment, and a doorway into a community of makers who believe in creating beauty one piece at a time. In the end, beginner-friendly woodworking proves that anyone, regardless of experience or budget, can create something meaningful, profitable, and artistically aligned with modern design trends. Every project becomes a celebration of resourcefulness, a reflection of personal growth, and a gift of authenticity to the world. And with each new piece crafted from simple, affordable materials, the creator builds not just objects, but confidence, opportunity, and a sense of purpose that can shape an entire future. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beginner woodworking design ideas by turning low-cost crafts into meaningful art profitable creations. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.